Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and as you can see here we've got the option Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings here. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm the whole step. Your device will ask you again if you really want to do it because this might take several seconds. What's more, you won't be able to undo this action, so just tap on OK and then network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.